If you're a person that sits in a weird position, then this chair is for you. This brand sent it to me for this video, and I have to say that this chair, if you sit like that, if you sit like one of those people that likes to sit like this, for example, like just for this, it's actually pretty comfy. Just for this, it's actually a good thing, kind of like for you to sit like this in a straight position and making sure that, for example, you have your legs leaning back. I'll show it to you in a closer look in a few seconds, but this one supports 250 pounds, super easy assemble, really easy assemble, and it rotates 360, either on the base or the actual chair rotates 360, so you can adapt any position you want. For example, like this one, it also comes with a nice backrest right here that is going to give you a nice support and the chance to actually stretch, for example, because it's not a wide one, it's not a big one, it's just for your back. So as I was telling you before, this is going to be your main pillow. You can see how nice this one is. It is actually very thick, but this section is more breathable, you know, because, well, this is where you're going to be sitting, so it's going to be more breathable. Nice on the back as well, but then of course it rotates 360, as you can see over here, 360 degrees, and the bottom part actually also rotates. But not only that, you can see this over here. Let me show you. Just like this, you can see that this one goes back and forth, and with the knob that is over here, you can flip it to the other side as well. So that is kind of like cool to have in case that you want to sit in another position. For example, like this. You may be surprised in how much people actually sits like this and put their legs in this position, or even just like going to the back, just like this. That's another thing that you can do. Or for like a tattoo shop, for example, for getting tattoos on your back or something like that. This could be really good if you have one of those shops. But again, it depends on how you sit. I gotta say that this one is comfy depending on how you're gonna sit. It's not for everyone. It's just a chair for the people that likes to sit, for example, with the crisscross legs or something like that. Again, 250 pounds, easy assemble, multi-position, 360 degrees, and actually nice and comfy depending how you sit.